Hello guys, this video is about the atmosphere, and I'll be talking about what the atmosphere is and what are the parts of the Earth's atmosphere and how they function. So first of all, let's look at what an atmosphere is. The atmosphere, more specifically, is a part of the Earth above the Earth's surface, and is the part that protects us from meteoroids and asteroids and other space debris. It also protects us from radiation and other harmful objects. What are the parts of the atmosphere, and what do they do? So, the Earth's atmosphere is quite thick, and it's their own very own layer of protection, you could say. Troposphere. This is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, and it's the layer in which weather occurs. So therefore, any weather, like rain, clouds, winds, etc., except sunny weather, occurs at this stage of the atmosphere. The troposphere extends up to around 10 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Then comes the stratosphere, which is the second layer after the troposphere. It exists around 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface, and a lot of airplanes at their highest altitudes can fly around the lower parts of the stratosphere. The ozone layer actually exists here. If you don't know what the ozone layer is, have you been living under a rock? So the ozone layer is a layer of oxygen which protects us from the sun's radiation. And without it, you would probably get much darker tans, and many more people could have cancer, so not good. The mesosphere. After the stratosphere, we have the mesosphere, and fun fact, meso means middle, which is why mesosphere is the third and middle layer of the atmosphere. The mesosphere exists from 50 to 100 kilometers above the Earth's surface. And some meteorites or small asteroids can come into the mesosphere, but they usually burn up upon entering because there is a lot of friction. Very, very small bits can actually reach the stratosphere. Then we have the thermosphere, which is after the mesosphere. The thermosphere, or the ionosphere, as some people like to call it, is the part of the atmosphere which has very high temperatures, as it is the first atmospheric layer to receive the sun's radiation. So since the sun's rays nearly directly hit it, it's very high in temperature because the sun's rays are really, really hot at first. And it is also the layer in which the aurora is known as aurora borealis in the northern parts of the world and aurora australis in the southern parts. Try saying that fast 5 times in a row. That's hard. Afterwards, we have the exosphere, which is basically the last layer, and this is where the atmosphere gradually starts to end and go into outer space. So that's it, basics about the Earth's atmosphere. See you in the next lesson.